So before this video gets started, if you want to sign up for a brand new company that just got $1.5 million in funding, they're giving more funds to drivers, more protections to drivers, benefits to drivers. If you ever get in a car crash, if you ever get hospitalized, if you ever get sick, you will keep your income as an Uber and Lyft driver for any gig apps. They're sending same day transfers, money transfers. If you ever get deactivated, they'll help you get your account back. They are awesome. The company is called Cover, and all these benefits and protections start at $7 a month. However, if you use my link, because they're a brand new company, there's a special offer. You'll get 30 days for free. You'll get full access to all this stuff, so you can try it out, no risk, no commitments. No annual contracts, none of that. You'll get your first 30 days for free if you use my link in the description down below to sign up for Cover to get you covered. Okay, now let's get on to the video. What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world, the Rideshare Hub. Thank you all so much for 45,000 subscribers. This is absolutely unreal. So thank you all so much. And yeah, if you could do me one simple favor, and please just hit that thumbs up button if you like these videos. Today we're talking about how Uber just made a rate cut. Wow, this is crazy. There's so much to get into in this video, which I'm gonna try to pack it all in as fast as possible. So just tap the thumbs up button if you like quick, short, and concise, condensed videos. Thank you so much. And also, by the way, guys, we just launched a second YouTube channel called The Finance Hub, where I'm gonna be talking about other ways to make money, Uber and Lyft included, but we're gonna keep it all money related. There's just too much that I wanna talk about. I'm in the process of buying my very first home, and I'm gonna document the entire experience on that channel. I'm also gonna break down my personal net worth, how much money I have, and all the different ways that I make money. I have a clothing company. I have over 1 million followers on TikTok, so I make money over there. I have this YouTube channel. I also have my second YouTube channel. And yeah, there's just a lot that I'm gonna be talking about. So definitely do me a favor and go over, or do yourself a favor, go subscribe to the Finance Hub. We're making multiple hubs out there. I wonder what hubs we can create next. I know you're already spending some time, some good time over at the other hub, which it's okay, it's okay. We like to share the hubs. But anyways, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. If you still are inspired to sign up for Uber and Lyft after this video, I'll be shocked. But if you do, at least sign up with the referral code down below and get your sign-up bonus, a guarantee of up to $2,400. So guys, I just actually have this Facebook group, which is absolutely blowing up. Oh, that's another income stream I have. I'm sorry, I get lost with how many different ways that I make money on the internet. It's crazy. Welcome to 2020, where you can make money with a laptop. That's all you need. I got my hard drive right here, phone right here. This is literally my desk. Welcome to 2020. But anyways, I got this group, 15,000 members, and I just posted this yesterday. How much does Uber pay per mile in your area? Well, by the way, guys, Uber also just launched a new earnings program. So it's called Prop 22. And they just did the income breakdown right here. This is minimum earnings, expense, no upper limit, tips are on top. They basically are paying you minimum wage, but look at right here, guys. The guarantee is calculated every 2 weeks, and big asterisk, they're only paying you on route to pickup and on trip only. So guys, in my opinion, they're making it seem like they're gonna pay you a lot. Oh yeah, 1.2 times percent minimum wage plus 30 cents per mile for gas wear and tear. You're like, oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, by the way, they're only paying during pickup? What? On rides? What about in between rides? You gotta go clock in at Chipotle for 15 minutes while you wait for your next ride so you can make money. Here we go. This is the link. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't know, did you guys watch the debate last night? I know I did. I actually didn't even watch the entire first one. I did watch like the highlights and everything, but this one I sat down last night and watched it, and woo! That was a honker of a debate. I just posted in my Facebook group. I know I try to keep politics out of this, but comment down below. Biden or Trump? I want to hear your opinion, and you know, give yourself a reasoning. Don't just say F one of the candidates. And yeah, I want to hear your opinion. But anyways, I thought it would be interesting to post in here. You know, this is a completely like you know, Uber drivers are, this group is everybody from around the whole country. So I figured, why not just make a kind of a randomized poll in here? Because it's not like Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. I mean, maybe they're more democratic on the side of things because they're, you know, Uber drivers tend to have a little bit lower of income. But hey, I don't know. I wanted to make a completely randomized poll and said, what do Uber drivers think? Who would be the better president and why? Look at this. 99 people said Donald Trump and only 62 people said Joe Biden. And a whopping 9 said Kanye West. One of Jim Henson's Muppets, I honestly don't know what that is. A piece of cheese. 4 people said a piece of cheese. Me, no more income taxes. Well, you can just move to Nevada for that one. Bill Whittle, Mike Stokasa, I don't know who those people are. But yeah, this is crazy. A lot of people are commenting who they're voting for. Which, yeah, guys, this is pretty nuts. And then I said, who won the debate? And again here, look at this. 279 people said Trump won the debate, while only 276. Sorry, usually it says plus that with 3. But 276 people said Trump won, and 152 people said Biden won. And then 65 people are really, really salty. I mean, I personally think that Trump had he definitely had control of the floor. I'm not trying to bring politics into it. Well, I guess I kind of am. But anyway, sorry. Uber, how much does Uber pay per mile in your area? Look at this, guys. Look at this. People are saying 53 cents per mile, 57 cents per mile. I'm totally new to the scene. If they pay that much, how does it work when it comes to filing taxes? It's around 57 cents per mile as an expense to even drive your vehicle. I'm so confused. If you report your expenses correctly, you don't pay anything in taxes. 75 cents, but most of the time, sometimes pay 60 cents. Look at this, after gas and tax, like 10 cents. Wow, crazy. This guy gets over $2. He must do Uber Black. But look at this, guys. It's dropping everywhere. 69 cents, 25 cents a minute. That's crazy. -0. Rafa, they really cut rates in his area. 57 cents per mile. Yeah, guys. I mean, $6 per mile. Yeah, I wish. Look at this. 60 cents a mile. So I know in my area we get like 79 cents. But guys, around, you could see the average is very clearly barely 57 cents a mile. And why is that a problem, guys? Why is that a problem? Because if you're getting paid 57 cents per mile, what is the IRS standard mileage rate for tax deductions in 2020 right now? It's 57 cents per mile. So the IRS literally released that's their standard rate. They say that if you're driving your car for a business, they estimate that it costs 57.5 cents per mile to operate a vehicle. That's wear and tear, gas and wear and tear. And it doesn't even include depreciation. So you have to add on top of depreciation on top of that. So usually depreciation is taxed differently, so that's why they don't include it. But that's still an expense. So if you think about it, okay, I'm getting paid 57 cents per mile to drive Uber, but the IRS estimates that it costs me 57 cents to operate a car. That's why people are paying $0 in taxes, because they have zero profit, right? If you have zero profit, you're not paying any in taxes. The reason why you're paying $0 in taxes is because, let's say you drove 10,000 miles on Uber, right? You made $5,700. But you also took a hit on your car of $5,700 through wear and tear and gas. You don't see the wear and tear on your car every day. The wear and tear comes into play when you got to go to the mechanic and get a new tire and get your car fixed. It comes out on oil change. It's an average. So yeah, you might have just financed a brand new car. You know, I'm not driving a 2020 car, Dylan. What do you mean? I never take my car to the shop. Well, yeah, but what happens in 3 to 4 years when you got to fix your car? Or what happens when you go to sell your car and your car's worth less than, much less than what you bought it for? That's called depreciation. So yeah, guys, this is absolutely crazy. I want to hear from you guys, though. How much do you get paid per mile for Uber or for Lyft? And are they cutting rates? Because I know when Prop 22 either passes or doesn't, So many people are gonna starting to get less money. If Prop 22 doesn't pass, all Uber drivers, all Lyft drivers will be employees. 70% to 80% of drivers will be deactivated in California, and that could actually go nationwide. Other states have already confirmed that, guys. So it's not just California. A lot of people are saying, oh, that's just California. No, it's definitely gonna go nationwide soon. I assure you guys, other states have already confirmed. Why, if California gets this huge tax advantage for making, it's not just Uber and Lyft, it's all these gig companies. If they start getting millions and millions of more dollars, don't you think other states are gonna do the exact same thing? It's gonna be very, very easy for Florida or for Texas, for example, to say, well, you know, California did it, let's do it here. It's not gonna be like, California is setting a precedent. They're the first state to say, look, we're willing to go through the 1 or 2 year long battle to get this passed. Every other state will just be like, okay, well, you guys just laid out the whole foundation for us. We're just gonna copy the exact same model and do the same thing. So yeah, guys, it's not just California. It is California, it's starting in about a week or two, but look for it in other states too. It's gonna come. Mark my word, in about a year or two, Uber's gonna look the same in other states as it will in California. Trust me. And I have inside sources. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.